Have you ever heard words so powerful that they can change your life forever? Words that open the doors of Jannah? Today, we are going on a journey to discover these special words. Stay close, because every step will reveal a secret. One evening, little Yusuf sat under a big tree, watching the sky turn orange and pink. He whispered, "I wonder, what is the most important thing a Muslim must say?" Suddenly, his grandfather came and sat beside him, smiling warmly. Yusuf looked up at his grandfather and asked, "Grandfather, what are the most important words in Islam?" His grandfather smiled and said, "My dear Yusuf, those words are the Shahadah. Do you want to know what they mean?" Yusuf's eyes lit up. "Yes, tell me." The Shahada is, "Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh." It means, I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, the one alone, without a partner, and I bear witness that Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, is his servant and messenger. These words are like the key to being a Muslim. The Shahada is not just words, it's a key. Whoever truly believes it opens the way to paradise. Yusuf's eyes widened. A key to Jannah? Subhanallah. The first part says, La ilaha illallah. There is no God but Allah. That means we worship only Allah. No statues, no people, no other powers. Only Allah created us, and only He deserves our prayers. Yusuf whispered, "So I should always pray to Allah alone?" His grandfather nodded. "Yes, my child. Allah is one, with no partner." The second part says, Muhammadur Rasulullah, Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, is Allah's servant and messenger. That means we follow him, not just as a prophet, but as the best example of how to live. Yusuf smiled. So loving the Prophet, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, is part of Shahada? His grandfather replied, "Exactly, Yusuf. We love him, follow his Sunnah, and send durood upon him." When someone says the Shahada with their heart, they promise to live by it. It's like saying, "Ya Allah, I belong to you, and I will follow your messenger." Yusuf whispered softly, "I want to live like that, grandfather." Living the Shahada means we pray, we are kind, we share. Every small action can shine with the light of Shahada. Yusuf looked at the stars with a smile, his grandfather's hand resting on his shoulder. His grandfather reminded him, "Yusuf, remember, the Shahada is not only said with the tongue, but lived with the heart." So children, let's whisper it together. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. These are the words that can light up our lives and open the gates of Jannah, insha'Allah.